I planted turnip green seeds last year. They grew to a certain point and just died. What caused that? And that's Bill in Memphis. Turnip green seeds. They started growing, they just died.
Frost.
Depends on when they planted them. Could it be in the seed itself, maybe? Huh?
Too wet, maybe.
Could it be too wet?
Too hot.
Well, turnips are winter annual.
Yeah.
So if you plant them in the spring, they're not going to do very well.
That's right.
You know, they're going to come up and they'll die. And if you plant them in the fall, they're going to grow through the winter time and then die. They'll just die out, you know, in the summer. So I can't think of any disease that would wipe them out. But
Unless
and I don't know whether he's talking. Are you talking about shortly after they came up,
Right.
or after you've been able to harvest them and get some good out of them? Or a lot of questions. It brings on more.
Because
It
just
was
said
a
they grew to a
timing
point.
issue,
Yeah.
would be
Could
my
be.
guess.
Timing.
They just maybe did it too early, and then it was too hot, and then the sun got them, and then they maybe wilted.
Right. Right. Or it could have been too wet, as we said before. We just don't know. But there's a lot of questions, that's for sure. About that. Good seeds. Could it have been good seeds? Good viable seeds? I mean, they did grow, but we don't know. He said to a certain point. We don't know what that point is, but
It just brings on a lot of questions. But the bottom line on turnip, they're usually very easy to grow.
Sure.
Pretty easy. If you have adequate moisture and adequate fertility, if you plant them at the right time, plant them in the fall.
Right.
And they'll should have turnip greens for a while.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.